Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to discuss distance formula last chapter 28. Now here this is a y-axis, this is x-axis. We have required to calculate the distance between point A and B. Coordinate of point A, x1, y1 and x2, y2 coordinate of point 2. Draw the perpendicular from B and A on the x-axis. This intersect x1 and x2. And this now BC equal to that y2 minus y1 and AC, this is a x2 minus x1 this. Distance, let dv distance between point A and B. Therefore, B equal to root x2. Therefore, in right angle triangle ABC, AB square equal to AC square plus BC square, or AB square plus BC square, or AB equal to root of AC square plus BC square. From the figure, it is very clear that AC equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This you may write, this is distance d x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we can apply this formula in the numericals. Come on, question 1/4 part. Question 1/4 part of the question, this given here. x1 y1, let x1 y1 given root 3 plus 1 comma 1, and x2 y2 given here, let this is given here, this 0 and root 3. Find the distance between these 2 points, then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square be equal to this here x2 minus x1 0 minus root 3 plus 1 whole square and y2 root 3 minus 1 whole square. Now here this root 3 plus 1 whole square plus root 3 minus 1 whole square. This become here root 3 a square plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3, and this become here 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. This you will get here this 4 plus 2 root 3 plus 4 minus 2 root 3. You will get this 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 cancel out. We will get 8. This will be 8. This will be 2 root 2. This is the distance. Now come on. Question third. Question third. Come on, question third here. Given the distance between the point x1, y1, x1, y1 given here, and x2, y2 given, and distance d is given also. x1, y1, the distance between the point 3 and 1, 3, 1 and 0 x. 3, 1, 0 x. This is 5 given. Calculate the, here giving, find the x. Find x. Now here d equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and d equal to this x2 0 minus 3 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square. This put the value 5 equal to 3 square plus x minus 1 whole square. Now here squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. This 5 square root will be cancelled here, 2 plus x square minus 2x plus 1. 25 equal to 10 plus x square minus 2x, or you made x square minus 2x plus 10 minus 25 equal to 0, or x square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0, plus 10 minus 25 minus 15, or x square taking fraction, 5x minus 3x minus 15 equal to 0, x common, x minus 5 plus 3 common, and x minus 5 equal to 0, x minus 5 and x plus 3 equal to 0. From this x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 3. This is the question second. Third. Now come on question here. Write down this. Now come on question 6 here. 6 given a point of distance d equal to root 10 and coordinate of point A, coordinate of point P, that is given x1, y1, this is a 4, 3, and coordinate of point A, that is x2, y2, according to question, this is given x and 2x. Here, listen carefully question. A point A is a distance of root 10 unit from the point 4, 3. Find the coordinate of point A if the ordinate means y, and the y value, y axis value, it twice its abscissa taken 2x. Therefore, D equal to this solution, x2 minus x1 whole square formula, y2 minus y1 whole square, D put root 10 here, and x2 means x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square, squaring both the side 10, this become here x minus 4 whole square, squaring both sides, you may write here, squaring both sides, this 10 equal to x minus 4 whole square plus 2x minus 3 whole square, 10 equal to this x square minus 8x plus 16 plus 4x square minus 12x plus 9, a square plus 2ab minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab formula, with the formula 10 equal to this 5x square and minus 20x plus 25, or you can say 5x square minus 20x plus 25 minus 10 equal to 0, or 5x square minus 20x plus 15 equal to 0, or you can say x square 4x minus plus 3 equal to 0. Now here solving this, x square minus 3x minus x plus plus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 minus 1, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 3, or x equal to 1. Coordinate of point, coordinate of point A, this x2, y2 is given here, x to x. If x equal to 3, then A here 3 and 6, x3 and 2 into 3, 6. If x equal to taken 1, then coordinate of point, that is 1, 2, this is answer. Now, come on, all of you write down this, please. Now come on, question 22. 22 here, I have given here, this is a circle, this is center P, and this center P, this A, B, perpendicular down on AB, that is T, this P, this coordinate 2 minus 7, this minus 2 minus 4, and radius AP equal to R equal to 13 unit. First, here we require to calculate AT, and second that AV. Their AT equal to, this here you consider P x1 y1 2 minus 7, and T that x2 y2 that minus 2 minus 4. Therefore PT equal to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, means this here you can say minus 2 whole square and minus 4 minus plus 7 whole square. This here minus 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. This here 16 plus 9. This is here root 25. This is 5 unit. Means PT equal to 5 unit. Now here in triangle, in right angle triangle, in triangle PTA, Pythagoras theorem, here PT equal to root of AP square minus PT square. Sorry. This is a 80 equal to This AP given 13 square minus 5 square. This 169 minus 25. This square root of 144. Positive sign only taken. Positive. So therefore 80 equal to 12 unit. And AB equal to 2 times of 80. AB equal to 2 times 12. This AB equal to 24 unit. This is the answer. Yeah. 24 unit. Please do all the question according to this. If any problem, you discuss in live session.